All right. Here then. And this way. All right. So how we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and we are back. And oh, second everything that was soft. Okay, that's good. Sorry for that. All right, everything's off and perfect. Okay, we are in. All right, so the show in like always, like every Saturday, right, is robotics, and we're supposed to start at 1 o'clock, but a little late today. And my eyes looks a little closer because allergy. It's crazy.
I know, my gosh, Murumia, your eyes are like terrible.
I know. I look like somebody beat me in like crazy, and I'm super like tired and all that. And, oh, I know my allergy. My car is a white car. Well, right now it's like a yellow color.
Yellow orangey, yeah.
Yellow orange, and every car is all dirty, so you can imagine. So I'm sorry about that, guys. And some later like today feels like tired, but tired I guess because the allergy. But hope with so much wind yesterday, so much that crazy these past 2 days. I guess also much allergy, right? Pollen everywhere. But we hoping. I think maybe that is already all gone. So I think maybe it's rain sometime this week coming up. So maybe clean up a little bit and we get better. It's only like a few days. I mean, this is actually the last few years that they didn't have any problems. But this year, even people they never have a problem they have now. So maybe too much pollen. Plus, when the winter is a little long, that causes that problem too, I think.
Maybe.
Yeah. The flowers want to, I want to bloom right now. I want to make sure we pollen everywhere. Okay? Huh?
I'm going to feed Mia.
Go ahead. All right, so we continue with robots. Remember, the shows we've been doing this for almost 2 months. By the way, today we syndicated Protobor. So today we are on YouTube. Yes, we're here on Amazon. We are in Twitch, in the Facebook. Everywhere. Today is measure casting, and I think all is perfect. So come over and just join the chat. Let me begin the show, and then we're gonna talk about the robots we've been building. All right. So guys, my name is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. We are here in Amazon Monday to Friday. We start at 5:30 in the afternoon. And Saturday is technically 1 o'clock. But today we started a little late. I'm sorry about that. But we show is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon every Saturday. And for now, it's all based on robotics. So we put things together. Right? So we're going to continue. Some of the things we put together, it takes 2 to 3 Saturdays, depends, right? So this one we started last week. We're going to complete that today. And some of the robots we're going to be building next week. All right. And then the show that's only, by the way, the show is only here in Amazon and Facebook. We're not syndicated during the week, either YouTube or Twitch. Then in the morning, and Melina's here, right? So you meet Melina. She has a great show every morning, and that we syndicate. And then the one in the afternoon we syndicated to Facebook, and then on the weekend now we syndicate it everywhere. And tomorrow we are off. All right, so. Now, Melina is feeding our old cat, super old. So her name is Melina, and she's in the background, not the background of the camera. Yes, feeding me. She will be back with us in a few minutes. But if you want to meet Melina, remember she's here in mornings, Monday to Friday. My next thing is always to chat. So if you have any question while we're building, or if you look at a particular product here in Amazon, you want to just I want to get this gift for Mother's Day. I was looking for this product or whatever you guys looking for. Let me know, all right? And something like me and myself will be more than happy to help you. Or if you guys have questions right there, and I'm looking this up because I got windows everywhere right now. Questions either from Facebook or Twitch or that will be on YouTube, right? Let me know. We're more than glad to help you. If you guys want to join our live stream here on Amazon, the links are below, always in those descriptions of the video. And my next one is, yes, you see a little thing popping up all the time. Why you need to follow MEDIABOXENT? Because we have a great coupon code. We're bringing a lot of tutorials, how to, we review products in real time, right? We have a bunch of open boxes during the week, right? And that's the idea of the show. So, you know, that's why we recommend to follow me, because we always get some good coupon codes, a lot of open boxes. So if you're looking for a product maybe you want to buy, you can technically see what it looks like. And it's a good chance you can go and ask me a question. You know, can I see that close? Can you put that into the camera? Can I see what this thing looks like? I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, and that's about this show based here in the MEDIABOXENT and Amazon Live. And I think we are all in. Okay, that's it. All right, so let's go back to the robot. So we have built 2 Exapod, one real big 9 pounds, super heavy. Then we built a tiny one. And we already built a dog. We did build a wheel with 3 wheels, and we built also as well to a tank. And some you control with an application right from Windows, and some we using a Python, install it in my Windows, and I control it through there through Wi-Fi. They'll control it through Wi-Fi. Some that has their own application, right? So you can download it and control it through your right into your app, right? And mostly what it is, you choose or either connect to the network or create a local network between your phone and that device. And a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun because it's good to learn robotics or put things together. We base on either Raspberry Pi or some of the projects we do here in Arduino. Some of the projects, and says anything that requires a Raspberry Pi, you need to get the Raspberry Pi. So we put always on the carousel. I let you know, okay, if I'm gonna get this, you need, like this project, you need to get a Raspberry Pi. We'll let you know if it requires Raspberry Pi 4. Right now with Raspberry Pi 3B Plus is perfect. You don't need to go crazy and spend money on 4. If you have it, you can use the 4, but I don't think it requires the power to run it. So 3 is perfect. In memory, you need to get memory. I recommend always get 16 gigabytes micro SD card. I recommend to get a known companies, right? Because so I tried some of the micro SD cards there, some of the cheap micro SD cards, and give me a problem. So, and today for like $15, you can get a pack of 3. I don't know if you have any carousel now. If not, me, I can paste it in the chat. Yes, so, and I use a 16. Yeah. By the way, did we ever got that one? We ordered 3. I remember you ordered. No, I never.
Hold on.
I don't remember seeing it.
No.
Pretty interesting. Well, I don't need.
Were you talking about the memory cards?
Yes. Did we receive it?
3 packages?
No, 1 pack. No. I know you ordered. You know, by the way, we never got that one. I'm looking at my memory pill. See here we have memory
that's what
card.
You can check. Yes.
No.
Oh, I need the gaming monitor, by the way.
Yeah. No. You should track that one out.
Okay.
Because so small.
And you probably got lost in the mail, yeah.
I'm thinking something that way, maybe. Yeah, that's because we put a while ago. All right, let me turn the manual for Melina so she can see what's going on. Okay. All right. All right, so, okay.
Yes, I see.
Sergio. Hi, Sergio. And right on
Facebook?
On YouTube.
Oh, YouTube there too. Oh my! I always forget I had to follow all of those too.
Yeah, I have a Twitch as well here too.
I need more monitors. I told you.
Yes, you have like me. Have a if it doesn't matter. All right. So what we are today? So today we are in this guy here. Okay. So this one they call it the PiCar-Pro. Pro always make a joke on the PiCar guy from Star Trek.
Hi, Sergio. Yes.
So this is what we building today, or complete the build. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look a little bit on the PDF. The way normally I do it, I will change the camera so you guys will be able to see what we're building. And the same time on this side, you guys will be able to see the PDF file. Okay, so kind of you can understand what I'm putting together. And the way I do it normally, I just try to follow as much as possible the PDF file. So you guys, if you're planning to build this, right, you know how to do it. Or the idea is, okay, so if I'm going to build this, what's required for me to build this? All right, and this is the guy is running the carousel. You need to get the Raspberry Pi 3 for this, right? And no batteries. At least this one comes with battery. I think in the instructions says there, and batteries not included. Maybe you order it. Okay, so for this one, we get the batteries. But just in case, order, and if they didn't come with batteries, then you have to order the batteries. I think it says there, no batteries included. Just to have that in mind, because you want to build that, right? And then you figure it out. Oh, and I don't have the battery. Most of the all the time when you start building this type of robots, have in mind. So have in mind that when you build this, always you started from the Raspberry Pi side. So the first thing they make you work on it will be in the Raspberry Pi. So the first thing will be download the software, Raspberry, or install it, and then they make you go through some tests. And then I think they got a GitHub, so it's easy to install. We did that already, so this one is already working. So I will say the first thing you need is make sure you got the Raspberry Pi, because you're going to order this. Sure, you can put all this together, and in reality, no, because you have to set the 90 degrees. You need to set the servos to 90 degrees. In that case, for that, yeah, you need the Raspberry Pi and the software, and then show you instructions how to do that. This one has cameras. This one we can have allow you to move this. They allow you to grab things here. All right, it goes all the way up. We can also move this as well too, right? And this as well, right? So this is really nice, and have this heavy and wheels, so will allow you to use in all terrains. There is another module. We can kind of put it together a little bit, but there's another module we can change. So if you look in the picture in the back on the PDF version, have it right in the corner. You can see there is another module here, and I like the light. It has a real cool blue light, but you have to decide what you want to use, or if you want to use the arm, or if you want to use like the card looking type. And the other one, the difference with the other one has a sensor where can detect distance, right? Not this one. So you have to, I think this one looks much cooler. There is another sensor, and I'm going to install it. There is another sensor you can install right below. That's the LED, by the way, right below, where it actually can detect black lines, or detects a line in between. So you have a white background, or white floor, and you just trace a line, they can follow the line. But then when I was reading on it, it's just cool, but they say if you're going to use in all terrains, maybe you don't want to use that. So I'm not going to install it because you can damage the sensor, and I'm not going to trace a line. So I want to just go anywhere with this. I want to just play around, and I don't have to worry about a sensor or anything. But there's something cool. You can try it if you want. You can install that sensor as well too. It took almost the whole entire Saturday. I think last Saturday I streamed about 7 hours. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today, but that's how much it took a while. It took a while to get the software going, and the thing is they're breaking down like in a tutorial, or they're breaking down like in a study format. So there is part 1, part 2, part 3. It tells you, okay, why the LED comes on. So it show you, okay, kind of if you don't know anything about it, it show you, okay, how the servos work, why the servos are from 0 to 100 degrees, how the Raspberry Pi works. So they have this tutorial. Now, if you're into advanced mode, you can jump all that and just start putting it all together if you want. But the idea for this, the idea is if you have no clue or zero idea how to put this thing together, right, can they help you and to do it? I mean, they're pretty good instructions. Sometimes, you get a little stuck on the instructions, or maybe they figure the little details on it, and can they make you think for a little bit? But it's been done very well on the instructions. Just sometimes the little detail, okay, I'm missing that view, how that thing goes, why? And so what I recommend you to go to the PS, maybe move 1 or 2 more steps down, means go a little ahead of the game. And then now you can figure out what's happened or what I'm missing. Or always look the final product and you can see what it's supposed to look like. And you can see if you install the servo wrong, because maybe the instruction looks one way, but then when you look and say, hold on, I think I guess it happened to me. Why that thing looks that way? Now, okay, let me look the final product. So that helps you a lot, right? So if you have a screen for that, for me, the thing is, the screens have been covered by all kinds of the manuals for me to manage the network. So it's hard to have a multiple screen of things. And I'm trying to show you in the same time what I'm doing. So sometimes that's why I think they make a mistake, because, how I can do that? I want to have to look the chat, I have to look there, look all these things together in the same time. All right. So let's review a little bit what we are. There are a few things I want to do here that was looking, I think, last week. So I need kind of recap a little bit, because I totally forget what was up, right? Normally I work that day and I stop it. Sure, I can walk through in the week, but my idea is and do that when I'm live, right? I don't want to touch it. So there are a few things I was, I'm looking for a minute, and a few things, sometimes kind of I pick it, the final product, and we're looking right over there, and I see how I did the wires, right? I'm seeing, okay, let me see how those guys tend to send the wires through this, right? And I think this one, we're going to disconnect it, and I think this one, maybe we send it through here. Because I kind of look, if we can, and I think I can through there, kind of look what they did there, right? Sometimes, to tell you the truth, some of the ones, the project I do even looks better than the original. One, or the one they have in listed on Amazon. I think mine looks it looks much better wire and cable management, a little better. And I think this one they send it the other way, so we're gonna disconnect and send these things out. This is already working, but we have to install the lights over here. So we got to complete the lights, right? We have to put the right thing over here. We have to put it in the all LED in the back. We need to fix a little bit these cables, and I think this one I'm gonna leave it that way. And yeah, I'm going to leave it this way, this one. So we have the camera right over here. All right, and right in the back, we had that. So what I was thinking here, so these are the ones for the motor, right? And I had to figure out A and B, because I didn't do that. And kind of stays here. So I was thinking, if I kind of lose this a little bit and hide my cables right there, kind of use that to compress the cables right below the battery, I think will be much better. I don't see other way. If you send it through here, I don't like that, right? Oh, the nice thing is this thing comes with all the things you require. It comes with the if we can do that, let me see, because I think they use nuts, and we already had the other one. Maybe I can lose a little bit. But we're gonna have to look at the PDF, because I can't remember what is A and B. I don't think it makes any difference. Maybe because one wheel move one way and the other one, maybe I'm thinking that way. So these are the two connectors that needs to go here. So we have A and B, and A, B. Okay, so these two. So we're gonna have to look at the PDF. If we go to the full size of PDA right now. Okay, this is about the company. All right, and you see how they break it down. See, listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. See that there's how to use the web controller. How to control LED. How to control the 180 servos. Servos are 0 and 0 to 80. The way it works, what happens is since a frequency of 50 hertz, and depends how many milliseconds is still the frequency. That's the way you control that. If you want 180 degrees, the Raspberry Pi execute a frequency of 50 hertz, a pulse of 2.5 milliseconds, and when a 2.5 millisecond and 50 hertz signal, the servo knows it needs to be in 180 degrees. If it's If it's the 1 millisecond, I think it was a 0, something that way. There is a whole list to look at. Just give you an idea. The servo is not a motor or something that has it has gears inside, and the idea is when it clocks and it keeps sending the signal, so that clock there, you cannot move it. That's why when I activate this you can no longer move. Everything will not move at all because it keeps sending a frequency to 50 hertz. It says stay at 180, stay at 180, stay at 180. So if you want to move, this thing is not going to move at all. That's the way it works. All right, it's not something that's going to spin like crazy. Just goes 0, so 180 degrees like that, right? 180. So in the PDF, I think I jumped like crazy. What am I? So let's go back. We're gonna review a little bit, okay? So we are all on the same page. So this is the way it works. All right. You can download it from the website, or you just go through the GitHub and get the software. Both sides is good, but the GitHub is just to get you the software. All right, the type, okay, arm and shape. That's what we're going to be building. Let me switch to a full screen. So that's what we technically building. So we still have that part. We almost complete the whole thing. We still have to put the lights. And this is the other version. All right, the thing is, you're going to have to take a lot of things apart if you want to do that. So we're going to do that. We're going to build the other one. This one, we just leave it that way. I think the other one looks much cooler. Or we have to get another car. They break it down on the port. Normally, it didn't show you how the Raspberry Pi is being laid out. All right, and this is all instructions on the Raspberry Pi. So we're going to skip that for a little bit for now. Operating system and how you can install on Windows. Introductions on the general port inputs and outputs. I give you a layout of the ports as well too, so you guys know what it looks like. Ins and outs. So this one is a nice instruction on how the system works. And by the way, we work already with 2 different companies, and they all seems to have, depends on the way how they write the instruction, but about the same way. I like it because they show you the details on the Raspberry Pi. Once again, if you know that, you can go and escape all that. But it's good if you never went through that. One of the things based on this show, what we thinking to this type of show.
Welcome to MEDIABOXENT on YouTube. Welcome, Gerald.
Oh, Gerald. Hey, nice. How you doing, Gerald? All right. And one thing we are real big, and we base into this thing. Let me go that left camera. Stems. So and this is what you need to look for. If you want something for all the children and kids and everyone growing up, and no matter how old, 0 for 199 years old, whatever it is, right? So science, technology, engineering, and math, right? And sometimes you see also art as well. Yeah, you're gonna see the one with the art, right? So engineering, STEM, and art. It mixing the A in this case, right? So you see, you're gonna see STEAM, right? STEM, and that's the step for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. That's what you need to look for. Always look for this, right? And the idea for that is going to teach you to put things together. It teach you how to deal with frustration. And believe me, like next week, I did. Last week, I pulled it out of here and then says, I'll be back in a second. Went and washed my face, because I needed to oh man, I was getting frustrated at a point. And that's what it teaches you to do that. And it's good because put things together, and then the nice thing is after you put it together, you see the enjoyment comes after. Okay, look what I put, look what I did, or whatever it is, or between your friends, or then go and take a bunch of pictures, put it on Instagram or whatever, TikTok, whatever you guys want to do. And it's a kind of fun thing to put together. It doesn't mean because it's STEM, it looks like a toy, it needs to be for kids. No, anyone can build this. I mean, this is something great. I'm enjoying doing this. Some of the things is when we go down the shore, on the summertime, we take some of these things and put that together. I think like STEM toys that are made for kids 10 years old, and we just when my wife would just go, and we just sit there in the afternoon, and we just put it together. And it's a fun thing to do. I think it's great, and then you enjoy it. That's the way I see things. Or that's the way Melina sees the same way, because that's the way. You're right. Very important for that. Okay, go back to that. So we see how the hat, they call it, how that controls the chips and all these things. All right, and how you control the server. They give you the whole layout of the thing. All right. Oh, I see that in Facebook too.
Oh, really? It's an update?
No. Oh, you saw that already. Okay.
No, I didn't see it.
No, just now the message. All right, and how the whole thing works. All right, and then again, right, part 1, part 2, part 3. We're gonna keep moving until we get what we need to get. So first part is how to get your Raspberry Pi going, how to download the image.
Willa says, nice shirt. Thank you, Willa.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of want to be, it's a little too big, but I want to be comfortable. And plus with the allergies right now. Oh, it's like and yeah, the allergy gets you tired. Feel like you're going to go to sleep or something. All right, so tell you how to do the whole thing, right? Gonna move a little faster. Sorry for the speed of this, but technically this part is, and it repeats itself. It repeats itself. Okay, if you got a Mac, if you got a Windows, if you got this, if you got that, if you guys follow my videos, it's a simple way to do it. How to install the memory, the whole things. And one requirement I will say for this: always try to get yourself a display. Can get tiny display, big display, and a mouse and a keyboard. If you don't have that extra, right, what you can do is get everything from your computer, download it. Want to have the memory, just connect one from your computer, connect it through the HDMI, grab your mouse and keyboard, connect it right over here, and you can have that in your regular screen. When you reprogram everything, you have that done, you can just disconnect everything and just put your keyboard and your thing back in your computer. Right, if you don't have that. You can use any keyboard, any mouse, no matter what, as long as it's a USB, or you can use wireless keyboard. In my case, I use some wireless keyboard with a mouse. And how to control all these devices, I do recommend BNC. It's a free program. Download it and control everything through BNC. I think in this one particularly doesn't show you how to do BNC. You can do two-party or just to do it through and just connect through the shell, but it's much harder to do it that well, and it requires more experience. And with BLC, it's already part of the Raspberry Pi. Download the version for Windows, another version for Mac, and then just put the IP address and you connect it, and that no longer requires a screen, so you can reprogram the whole thing. And that's what I did last week. So all my tutorials are based into that. I show you that, so you have to look some preview video and say, "Hi, Dario did that." Right? And they are available also on YouTube, or they are available in the live version of YouTube last week, or here on the Amazon version too. All right, you can see the whole thing. So here they show you what you need. In reality, if you have experience, you don't need a display if you want that, but it's a little much harder. All right. And let me see here. Okay, so how to find the IP address? See that? Okay, you need to connect that. Gonna move, yeah, and this is another, to use it, but you need more experience if you want to control like this, to control it, because you just go a little blind this way, just trying to figure out things out. And it's what do you got here? Oh, another type. I didn't use one. This is another way you can control the in remote, but I think in BNC is better for me. If you guys use that, whatever you guys want to use to control things remote. So all this right now is just to control this thing. What you need to do, in this case, this is the volume. So when you have your Raspberry Pi running, already is running. You already know your IP address. You already set up. Everything is working fine, like a normal Raspberry Pi. Then just you open the control there, open the shell there, and then just go to get the GitHub, download it. It takes about 15 minutes, okay? So after you install, you have to execute the code, and the setup maybe takes like 15 minutes. So you need to have a little patience for that. And we'll install, update, and we'll do a bunch of stuff. And that's a pretty simple line. You need to tap sudo, GitHub, and then tap the whole line into Raspberry Pi and that. And then you need to execute it somewhere. There should show me the setup. So it's going to download a bunch of stuff. right? And then you're going to have to do type sudo python 3 and then the subdirectory name setup, and that's going to take a while. So patience for that. And then technically now is how you control the components, how you get things running here. We see here the instruction of the parts, how to control the camera. Very important. If you're going to execute the web control, make sure always the camera is plugged in, okay? Because if you unplug the camera and you want to try another device for the test mode, it's not going to work. If you are running the web version, if you're running like the control panel that I'm going to show you later on, you're going to need to log into this unit. I said, why it's not working? Why it's not working? Because we're doing a test, and kind of requires when the server is started inside the Raspberry Pi, it's going to look for the camera. So if you don't have the camera, what's going to happen? The program quit. Okay, you're not going to see that either because it runs on the background. The only way I figured out that one out is because I went and execute my server manually. It's the line there to execute it manually. So when I execute it manually, and I see, okay, can I find the camera? I don't remember what code they gave me, and then figure, oh, it's the camera. So then I put the camera and the thing was working. I said, why it worked an hour before, and now I didn't do any changes, and now it stopped working? Well, sure, because I was playing around and doing, because they make you do tests. They make you test the camera. Then they make you test the motor. Then they make you test that. If you want, you can skip that, but it's a good point to learn things. Anyway, some of those will allow you to reset the servos. Make sure you do that, because then this will set to whatever degree. So when you start and set to open, so I'm going to close and do something else. And something when you stop part, try not to move it as well too. All right, so we got that. And this is the control panel. So this is the way we're going to set things around, the way we're going to control. We're going to be controlling the unit. Video. That's a good video. We can see the temperature. We can see CPUs and RAM. A little bit something, right? How we're going to control that. So this one is the web control. So for that, that's the first test to make you to do. Then the next one is how the LED works. So they're going to make you install the lights and show you a layout so you know how to do that. All right. So we keep going. They give you the code. So if you guys want to change it, you can change the code. You know how to control LEDs. They tell you now the servos. See the servos introduced to 180. What is a servo? The servo is a position, angle, and it gives you all the explanations how it works. This is the package. And that's that. Eventually, you're going to have to plug in all to reset all. And that's what I was talking about. Frequency 50. I see, so there. See, frequency. See, frequency 50. That sets the pulse. Here, the time lapse, see, 0.5 milliseconds. Whatever degree is that. The RGB light. Run the code for RGB light. Program. Oh, the nice OLED, the organic LED screen. We're going to be plugging in next. How to control that. All right. DC motors. They're pretty powerful, these motors, okay? How to control a little different than the one I have over here. That not exactly look that way. All right. The ultrasonic SIM, we're not going to use that. How the ultrasonic work? We got receiver, what they call it, trigger and receiver. All right. It's pretty simple, receiver and trigger. So once it sends a trigger out, and whatever time talks to come back, it does the calculation, and that's what it calculates the distance. And the quality that we're not going to be using that one, the cameras, and all this is all the parts, okay? Servos 180, motors, and all the parts that requires to put this together. This is all the parts. And the part of the acrylic, we already did that. Comes with the screwdriver, comes with everything, right? You don't need to go any special tool. All right. And this one, you need to set all the motors out. So what's going to happen is you're going to turn it on your Raspberry Pi, and you're going to turn it on, and then you just go ahead and plug. Well, the way I did, I just went and plug one, and leave it on, and it just went one. Just make sure the orange cable is on the yellow line. plug in one, and you hear like zzz, then put it in the side, grab another one, zzz, zzz, and that way they all set to 90 degrees. They all set to 0 position for the controller. Not 0, it's 90. Okay, so you do that, and then now you start and put it together. Because if you not do that, when the computer turns on, it says set it to 90 degrees, it's going to set it to whatever angle you just install that thing out. So very important. I know for experience. Okay. The way they lay out with colors, kind of okay for that. The only thing, if you want to look down, you're going to have to print it in another page or have another page open. Because you'll have to come back every 5 minutes here because they didn't repeat the colors. So you show the arm, we did that. That one, believe it or not, took me a while to figure out in export how that thing looks. This is all like a 3D model, so I went back and forth and you see the way it looks. But you will get it. And this is the arm. So I guess the arm is maybe the what takes more to put together at this point. Remember, guys, what we're doing, we're reviewing what we in one step in a way where we are about. Okay. So how you to put the arm. But you see there, it doesn't show you what is that. What is the yellow color? Something you need. Oh, come back over there. Oh, let's come back. So let's print another page or have another PDF in the side of your computer so you can review. Some they give you the number, some not. They tell you right there. That's all the back and everything. And now we have almost the arm complete at this point. All right, and that's the arm. Make sure when you put these screws here, and I'm going to change that. Make sure when you set this up, because one mistake was not working last weekend, is do not tie. This is like a self-locking nuts. Okay, so the one that has like a piece of plastic inside, so it locks itself like a lock washer in a way. But you don't need to compress all the way because it will not come off. One the screw starts biting into the plastic, that will stay there. Because if you make this too tight, this is not going to work, right? This is not going to open. So make sure you do that, okay? Always, almost all the time, if you use a top and nut, that's the idea for that. All right, so we got there. And then we mount the camera. We mount the camera. Some screws there. That one kind of figured out by looking at the graphic. I didn't want matching. This one takes 2 servos. This is the big servos. Okay. And we had already that. Kind of that's the way they did it. I didn't look into that much. I tried to figure out what out. Even read those lines in the side. And yes, so this is all for the car, the wheels. Okay, we almost there. Okay. Just to show you, so if you guys see this for the first time. Okay. So therefore this will take you a whole day, all right? Put the batteries, use not. So let's see if we can lose a little bit where I'm going. And that's the way we mount the Raspberry Pi and the controller. That's where you need to put the camera, so it needs to be there. Because it goes below, well, and it's going to go to the top. I'll show you that. Actually, it doesn't go through there. It's actually a hole where you can send. You're going to be sending out the thing. They put it on the side, but that's a mistake. It goes through from the top. All right. And at this point, we need to mount this. But that will be my last thing I'm going to be mounting. You see here? So this is the last thing I'm going to be mounting today. Because I got to make sure all the cables are in. Because if I'm going to mount that now, I'm going to fix the cables. Okay? If we're going to be mounting this here. So that will be my last. This will be my last thing. Okay? So what I need to do is go back a little bit on the PDF and figure out what the motors, what is left and right. I can't remember. So let's see. Maybe we need to go back somewhere with we install the motors, or maybe. Okay, let's go a little bit beyond that point. Let's see. That's the guy complete, and I think doesn't show you that here. So I have to build this one now. Okay. And we still have to put all this sensor out. Let me tell you that. We gotta put the chip here. All right. Okay, that's what I want. That's what we want. All right, so if we look in the car the same way we're looking at on the picture there, right? So we can see the A is the left one. So A is the left one. Okay, so it's this one here. All right. That's my left. So this is my left. That's my right. All right, so that's my left one. So we're gonna connect this one on A. Hate this the one at the top. Those no solder requires or anything else. Okay. And this is B. And we got it there. What I would like to do with this, but I'm okay with we need to put when I like to get this somewhere here. But what I'm gonna do, so my idea is this. Some more stuff to plug it in here, okay? So let's get the screwdrivers and stuff. No, they got a bunch of screwdrivers, so you can collect it, choke them out after. I'll get so many now. This one's a good one. So what I was thinking is this. If I can do that, if not, I hope let me see. Because then I gotta make sure I can tie that back again. Well, yeah, I don't know. So this is what I'm thinking. But I don't know if I can do that right now. I was thinking to push these cables right below here.
Do you think that it's not going to affect the wheels?
No, not at all.
Like the connection from the wheels?
No, not at all. No.
Okay.
So I can lose. I hope it's not. I have to take. See, that's a problem already because I'm trying to. If not, I have to take everything apart. So hold on. Let me see if I can lose this a little bit. Okay. Because they're not right now. Well, I don't know if I can. You have to do this. I don't know if you have to do it, but I think it's a better way to keep the wires more organized. Okay, see, that's what I want. I don't know if we can see that. That's what I want. So they stay there, okay? So they're going to be compressed right over there. They're not going to come off or anything. I don't think I can do those over there now. I'll have to pick up that corner. It can be done when you guys put the battery. Something I didn't thought about it. All right. But I think as long as this one stays here, because what I'm going to do now, I'm going to tie this back again. But for me to do that, I'm going to have to put a brick in the cables, right? If that works, I'm not sure. I don't want to take the whole thing now, you know? Okay. I think kind of stays there, right? Yeah, okay, stays there. Okay, so we have this, and we can let this bother me right now, but so we got this cable. We can send it through the side of the USB cable, right? And we can keep this somewhere like this. Okay. You can use a zip tie if you want to. Let's put this here so it stays there. Really, I think we got more cables to put it in, but come on. A little too big for... Okay, let's keep it that way for now. Right?
Do you want more kombucha?
You got... Yeah, the kombucha. Okay. Okay, that's a little better, right? What do you guys think? Right? Oh, okay.
Hey, Aldo! Whoa, whoa! Happy
What's going
Saturday,
on?
Aldo!
Happy Saturday. How's everything there? How's the weather?
Yeah.
Well, we here was a
How
little
are
chill.
the allergies? I was expecting you to ask how are the allergies.
I didn't say that. That's the weather, I said. I don't know. They have the same problem over
Look,
there.
Aldo says, I got my HP laptop. Amazon customer, thank you for following. Last night. It's awesome. You guys better get credit for it. Oh, I'm sure so. If you got it from the carousel.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aldo. Thank you for your all the support. Thank you.
Okay.
Weather here is so. It's the best.
All right, let's remove this out. Let's take this one out. And I'm going to send this one through here. Can we do that? Makes sense if I send it through there. Or through the size. I mean,
Perfect recommendation by you guys. Aldo says.
Thank you. We'll go through there. Not through there. I mean, you have to do this. I don't know. It just depends the way you like it. I mean, if you like something to look like neater or look nice.
Organized.
Huh?
I like the cables to be organized.
Yeah, so I think that's perfect through there, right? Makes sense, I think. If we send the cables through here. All right. Let me turn off the PDF here for a second. We don't need it right now. Okay. So I think it looks much better there. Like this side, another way you can so then we have the extensions here. We're gonna figure out how much cable we need. Make sure white, in the case white was the orange. All right, so that's there. So the question is, this one's not much we can do. We can send this to the side. All right, so let's leave that plug in, so I don't have to go crazy figure out what thing goes again. So let's do this one.
Says downloading at 960 MPS now.
Wow,
like 4 times faster than before. So happy. Can you translate that so I understand what that means?
Super fast. What is this right now?
960 MPS.
Yeah, oh, 960. Wow. What do you got? You got fiber at home? I think I would download is 300. Oh, about 300. All right. So I'm going to put it there. We plug it in over here.
1 TV LAN connection here.
Oh, well.
I love LAN versus Wi-Fi.
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah.
So it's faster, right? Because that's connected? That's what it means?
It's hardwired, yeah. It's always. I always say like...
oh, I understand so much.
always I say that. So let's fix this one now. I think maybe it looks better if we send it through here. And we plug it in. Okay. So we got this. And this one is from the bottom there. So let's see how we deal with that. So that looks good right over here. We get these cables. All right, so we get these cables somewhere like this. Right, we have to have in mind this is going to go all the way down.
MC Kluwer, thank you for following MEDIABOXENT. Ask your questions. We're here to help you.
We have that all the way at the bottom. Then this stays this way. So we need to make sure. So this one, I think in the other box, Melina, I think we have some of those.
With the one with the spider?
No, they're actually extra parts. Because I can.
Oh yeah, I think I know what. Yes, I know.
I think I can. Yes, because I think I can use this one here. Putting a wrenches in case. I think I got some of this, but come enough for this thing. So let's put this one here. So hold on, I want this. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I tell you, the temperature, it just went down. So tomorrow's nice. Tomorrow's going to be 24 Celsius, so tomorrow's going to be a nice day. All right. Just got that one now. This is my knife, like 2-go thing here. I mean, all right. That comes with that, by the way. All right, guys. So that's nice. So we keep it there. So it looks much organized when we move this around. This is all my extra parts from my other robots. And always we got some extra stuff here. I know I keep it all these things. And for the next robots we build it, got a lot of stuff. Eventually, never know. Never know when you need it. See, now I have extra from the other ones. So we had that go on. Trying to fix it, then we move to this final assembly. So we had that. Now the nice thing is this is going to be covered up. This is like a long thing here. So hello. Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. What happened there? What happened to my mixer? Okay. Oh, hello, hello. I don't know what happened. Hello. Oh, crap. Okay. Can you check the volume, Melina? Yeah, can you check? Yeah, I don't know. Check it. Yeah, can you check on the phone, see if everything sounds fine? I hear something like when look, then my sound just change. Yeah. Don't try the mic.
Okay, I'm opening the.
All right. Okay, it's fine now.
It's fine? Oh, okay.
I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. All right, I usually stop my mic. That's okay. All right. So what is that about? What are we doing? Okay, so we have this here. And this one, well, this thing's moved there, so I don't know if I want to send that cable through there. I think we can send it through the hole. I don't think it's going to make much difference. Gonna make sure when this move, we're not gonna grab the cable, right? So we're gonna.
That's what I was saying before about you remember you said you put the cables below?
Oh no. I will not do that. We still have to put more cables. You gotta put the lights now. So this one. I don't think it make any difference through there. I don't think it make any difference to there. Yeah, we're gonna send it through here. I don't think. I was thinking to hide this in a different way, but yeah, we'll send it through the middle. All right. Just plug it in. Yeah, because if I put it through here, no, I don't want the cable looks that way. Okay, let's check the light. I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy. I'm a little crazy when it talks about cable management, so even my computer here doesn't look the best because it's a million cables, but all right, I think we can go through here, through that hole there. Yeah, I think it's fine that way. I think it's fine that way. Oh, the
Would you charge the batteries?
My batteries are charged.
Oh, okay.
I thought I removed the PDF. Okay. So we got that. Should be fine. And then we pass it through here. And we connect it here. All right. Yep. And black, always a brown, by the way. Brown colors with black and orange with yellow. I didn't find one always match. I work with different projects and you'll have like a different. All right, so I think we get there. And we can say this. Let's try it. So I'm going to put a little piece here. Let's bundle this tab. All right. See, that makes sense. Maybe. Yeah, there's no other way to put it in. This will be covered up anyway. Yeah, you can. This one, all right. There's an extra wire here. It was a lawn. There's nothing we can do with this. This is the camera. All right, so that way it looks a little nicer, right? Not a bunch of cables going crazy there. Okay. Okay, so up to that, we got that. So we need to install the light. So something we're not going to install. We're not going to install the sensor underneath the car. We're not going to install this because that's for the other project. So this one is for here, right? You have to take the camera out and put the camera in here and put the other cool light. I like this cool light, but
Which one? Let me see.
this one.
Yeah.
This one goes right here, but we're not going to use that one now. You can because not for this project. Oh, we have to put this one, so we gotta install this chip. This is the one that sensors, but later on we're gonna put this chip here. All right, that's the sensors. When you, so we got one. And two lights. Oh, and we still have the OLED. And then we got to figure out what's group text there. Okay. It looks much better, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So let's put the lights into this nice car. So at night, it has to look cool. I think it's going to look cool. Yeah, already they even started the cable, so it's so much longer than the original cable when you buy this type of light. Maybe you tie by hair. I don't think it requires more than that. That's it. I think it looks cool. Let's put the next one. Right there. And I think that looks good. Right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So now I think we're going to send the wires the same way. We're going to send it this way. And we're going to send it through the same hole we send the ones through here.
It's ready for like in a SpaceX mission.
Exactly. That's
yeah.
the
To the moon.
Right, to the moon, yeah. So we got that.
Mars and beyond.
Okay. And something with this. I'm going to send it this way down. Okay. All right. Okay. And then that's the light. And if I remember, light goes right over here. Torching. So the light once goes here. Two. It's like a tiny Molex connectors. Okay. That's it. Then then they had the other light, but there is no way to install it. I like that cool blue light.
Yeah.
Get that final. Okay. And this one. Oh, yeah. Okay, use this. That's it. We got that. So we need to install now a LED. Okay. I don't think it'll be that way. We need to look the picture. I'm just guessing right now without looking. But this needs to be cannot be from there, so oh. Got to be this way. All right. Let's see if we find that part and the instructions. That's the tracking module. That's the tape. I was saying we're not going to install that because if I want to use some, all right. A, B, okay, and that's port 1, 2. That's the light. That's the chip we got to put later on. Tracking. We're not going to use the tracking module. That was already installed. All right. No, okay. Okay, yeah, I was right on that one. So let's so maybe I can put this. So let's connect this. Let's put now. This one is for the sensor. It's like a gyro.
Mm-hmm.
And if I believe this one goes this way. It's just right there with that. I don't think
Like the ones that you have in the gimbal.
Yes.
For the wheels.
Yeah, definitely this one. Yes. This country, yes, that's what it is. It's a sensor. It's the MPU. Yeah, but this exactly. Hold on. Goes there or through there? Hold on. So we need to look because I think this. and that's exactly the same. So let's look where it goes that one connected. Let's go back, make sure we don't mess this up, because I'm kind of guessing right now. Ultrasonic, and the chip, the N, the other one is N and MPU 650. It's like a gyro thing. Okay. So what happened is we put this here. That's this, but kind of it's right on top of that. So this one goes this way. All right. And this one we're going to put it right over here. Right, and then we're going to mount all this. And this all will be covered with that. And I'm going to use a piece of that to get all that together. Okay. That looks good. That looks good. Okay. So, all right. So what screen I need for that? See, show me those tiny screws.
Mm-hmm. You can probably hold them with the blue tape on the table, maybe, so you don't lose them.
I got it here. I got it right there. I gotta go back. That's what I was saying. Doesn't tell you there. Hold on. See the picture? They cut it off the picture there. I can have. So blue. Oh, and M2s. M2 nuts. M2 nuts. So it has to be an M2. Okay, M2. M2 2.8. I think those are there should do it. Yep. So let's and the whole itself. Put that one there. Put another one at the top. So it stays in place. I'm not sure what type of information we're going to see here, but it's a super tiny screen. We're not going to go crazy that is too tight. Okay. And one more. And I think we got that. I think I already got everything installed right now. So now, oh, we had to put like the long. Yeah, where does that one goes? All right, so this one goes here. All right, and that will go here. Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. And then they got these two long ones. I don't know where it goes. I don't see any hole there. So in reality, this one goes right here. But you know, I don't see any holes. How do you put it over there? Because you got exactly the Raspberry Pi. Ah. You see that? I built it wrong. Raspberry Pi goes the other way around. Check that out. Now that I'm looking at the picture, do you see what? Because the USB is supposed to be the other way around in the back. So if you want to connect something there, I didn't notice that problem until now. So weird, right? Okay. It's okay. And I did pay attention to everything. Not enough. It's okay. Not a biggie. coffee. Maybe at the coffee. No. Yeah, plug this round. Alright, let's plug this in a second. Let me unplug this. Camera is the only thing that's a pain in the butt. Okay. Come on, come off. Oh. You see that? I'll let it notice until now. Let's say I was not paying attention, because if I did look the model, I can see in the back it's the USB. I run out of USBs in the front. Not a big problem. But this one is okay. Oh, I see. This one has no threads. If you got to put threads there. All right. That's the way it needs to go. That's the way. And now, we can put this. See that? I don't know if I had those. I know those should be. Well, let me look in the instructions. That should be an M3. Oh yeah, M3s. Let's put two M3s here. M310. Let's do that before I put more things into it. Okay. You only maybe require one of these tanks. If you have one, kind of helps a little bit. Maybe it's to put this before you put the battery case. Now we got it. I need to know that. Yeah, I think that's we should install this before we put it in okay. Now we got it. Now it's better. Okay. So now we put the Raspberry Pi that needs the way it needs to go this way. See? Did it all wrong before. Okay. It's okay. Now this one is that one has no threads. What happened? I think eventually she's not going to be able to walk. Uh-oh. 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 People thinking you good. I said, what happened there? You can hear that like crazy. She is like a super old car, super mega cranky, but she is on the, yeah, she is like the, we don't know how long. She's been with us over 10 years. She's like 20, I think it's 22 or 23 years old cat. That's super old for a cat. Super old for a cat. I don't think there's no thread there, so that's why I'm doing that way. Yeah, I don't know how to. Huh? No. Yeah. I don't think yeah, I'm checking. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put this one out. Because this one needs to go all the way down, and it's not going. I don't know how they did the other one. No idea. No clue. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so all my cables are different now. All right, so let's unplug this. Yep. All right. Okay. But this is all cross each other now. It's okay. Let's take one at a time. So we don't miss the positions of this. All right. Should we plug everything the way it's supposed to be again? Yeah, the build it run. Not super wrong, but didn't pay attention to that. So yeah, leave it there. So that one should go here. Okay. One more. I need to send it to the right way. Okay. Okay. Now we got it. Okay. Okay. That's good now. Oh, that's why, yeah, board. Okay, so now we can put this up. Let's put this through here. And now this maybe now makes more sense, this board. All right, there. And it goes here. Oh man, I forgot to put the camera. Okay. No, maybe he's right. Because the camera said to put it into the top. Maybe you're right. Maybe we need to send it through here. Okay. And the blue side goes to the audio cable side. Okay. The connection is always in the front. All right. So maybe it was right on the picture. Okay. This way. All right, that makes no sense now. Okay. Okay, now makes sense. We got it now? I think we do. We can kind of test it before I close everything down. I'll put the final. Okay. So. And one thing I know, if this works, if this will actually pick up itself. So let's try it. Okay, that light up. Okay, this thing didn't light up. Okay, see the Raspberry Pi. Is the Raspberry Pi rebooting? Yes. Nope. Scare me. I always scare me.
Gets you, Murro.
Always think it scares me all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's nice. Give me the IP address. Oh, it changed. Okay, 12. Okay. Motion sensor is off. Okay, message, no message. Okay, IP address. Nice. You give me the IP. Okay. Yeah, you see that? All right. And that's what I was saying. You see, I know this when it starts. This is the point or the 0 point on it. It's supposed to be this weight. All right. So yeah, just turn it off. Always the same thing. Always the thing gets scared me. The same thing when with the spires, all those things. Yeah, it's like I get surprised on the. It's a long wire, so let's make a little shorter. Let me see if I'm looking at the original picture. Oh, I see, because what we're supposed to do is send the wires through here. I think without me disconnecting a lot of things. Okay. All right. Okay, makes sense now. All right.
Okay.
It looks like a whole. It looks like a bundle. I'm gonna go easy here. I'm gonna just go like this, and I'm gonna go like this. Now this one is not much you can do because this is moved this way. This one is a little too long, so what we can do is push it, the flat cable, I think underneath of the Raspberry Pi. Maybe it will work. Can we do that? Would I damage the cable? Maybe not. So maybe inside, between the Raspberry Pi and the hat. Because there's too much cable here. we can. Oh, maybe. For the top, we're going to use some M3. And here goes some M2s. No way I can put all, I'm going to put only 2. Almost done.
Wow.
Almost done.
So you didn't cut any screws?
No.
Okay.
No, the only thing, this is long, but I think there's no way to make this, because eventually this is going to move all around, so it all depends, see. How you going to do this? What I can do is maybe hold it there, but well, we'll see. There's still 2 screws here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it in. 2 on the back of it here. Okay, we still see that. Hold on. Oh yeah, is still the graphics there? Why? If I turn it off. Huh. Okay. All right. All right. I think we're done.
Wow. Oh, you still have the robot with the face. Let me see that one. Let me see that dancing.
Well, I have to turn it on. Yeah. I still have to turn it on and go to the program and all that now. Okay. So we no.
Okay.
So I think we complete the units. As you see here now, we have the two cool lights in the front, right? We have right in the bottom some blue LED lights, batteries, the two motors. Kind of hide the cable underneath there. But if you guys do it, you can put the cable first and then put the battery there. We have that. We hide the cables around the back on that. Then something I didn't talk about it. We pass the cable through here. You have to make sure this is going to move all around. It's a little long. I cannot imagine other way I can do this. Well, what happened is maybe these cables are... So I can maybe disconnect this again and send it through the metal. If it's not too much hassle to do that. So we have to disconnect it from the camera. Because we cover it up. We put the old LED there. We have the Raspberry Pi. We can turn it on and off. Kinda from the side, not in yes. If you got a finger, you can. You need a screwdriver to turn it on.
Yeah.
Big fingers, you can. I see. I can.
Yes, you can use the special twisters.
Yes, I'm gonna turn it on through there. It seems a little bit. I don't know why. Did it that way, but I can see to maybe through here or through here just to turn it on. But up to this point, it seems to be real nice. I like the design, the way it looks. What do you guys think? I think it looks real nice. We're gonna power it up and I show you guys how the whole thing works. Kinda, this is driving me crazy right now.
Yeah.
So maybe. Problem is it's not an easy thing to plug it in. So maybe so let's see. I think I can do it. Let's unplug that from there and let's send this through here. And then again, and maybe a little better, right? It stays there at least now. And we just plug the camera. Make sure that always the camera is plugged in, because if the camera is not there, the server will not start, and the program will give an error. And let's say, so if something happens to the camera, you're not going to be able to execute the software. So, and one way to know if it's working or not, because again, when you turn it on, no matter what position you put it in, it will reset itself. And we're going to do that. So we're going to turn it on from the switch on the side. Okay, so we got the light on. So we see an LED light right there. And we can pick on and see if it's rebooting. When we see the green light there, we see the green light there. See it's rebooting. That's one way to know the Raspberry Pi is working. And this should reset itself in a second. That's it. Oh, and now it has a different blue line. Didn't notice that. Okay, so I guess because not everything is plugged in. All right. We need to control this through the web. Light that off. I think I have to turn the lights, I think, myself. And then right in the back, it gives me this information. Okay, the name of the company and the IP address is 12. So it's 192.168.12.1. I thought I put not dynamic. I put a static IP into this. I gotta check that. Okay, so the AP mode is on and detected the MPU 650. All right, functions off, message, and no message at the time. All right. All right. So how we're gonna control this? We're gonna do this way, and give me a second. So, and I will switch the screen so you guys can see. So it's 192. So it's 192. We say 12 port 5000. Okay. So let's see if it's working. Let me move this into the side so I can actually see what I'm typing. And it's not coming up. Okay, sorry. Yes, 192.12. I thought it was 72. I don't know why this gave me that port number. That 12. What way I can do? Checks my BNC robot 3 wheels tank PiCar. Yeah, you know it's weird. Not supposed to give me that. Only time maybe not supposed to be the IP address. I don't know why it shows me the IP address because it's 72. Yes. So I'm not sure why it shows me that particular IP address because it's 72. I thought I did that. And how do I know that? That's something I'm not sure why it shows that IP address. How do I know that? Exactly because of this. See, in BNC, I'm actually connected right now. See, this is the way I control all my robots. You see, big robot, hexapod, pickup car, tank, 3 wheels. So I can log into any of these devices remote. So right now, in reality, I'm in, and you see it's that 72 because I know that they are dynamic and I did not static. And normally what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the number 72 here. What it shows me 12 there, or maybe that if I do connect it in API mode, I think that's what it is. So if I'm connected with an API mode, I think that's where it's going to be, maybe the IP address, because I don't know what it shows the IP address. It says API mode on. So I'm connected 100% through the wireless. So this, I'm now connected to the Raspberry Pi. So in reality now I can execute, I can do whatever I want on the Raspberry Pi, the screen. But what we want to do is not that, it's talk to the robot. So the way to do that is by getting this screen, and it's 192.168 dot 1. That's my IP address for my 72 colon 5000. I'm in. You see that? So that's the camera. Okay, so that's the camera. We see here the CPU. Let me disappear myself for a second and put myself much smaller. All right, I'll put myself somewhere there. Okay. So now the scan is not working because the radar, we didn't install the radar, right? We didn't install that. We can control this with the keyboard. We see the camera here, my hands, see? So that's the camera, and it has a good, it has a real good camera. Now, one thing we can do, we can already move this forward, back, left or right, and I think if I do this, yeah, it's already moving. All right, so let's see, and then we got police lights. It's in camera tracking colors, and I think the police lights. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll show you in a second. That's police light. I wonder how you turn the lights on. Oh, all right. Oh, only one line is working. I gotta see the connections. Okay. All right, stays on camera. Give motion. Police lights. Loose and graph. Okay. So we want to see how the whole thing works, and let's get into here. All right. Let's get right there. Second here. Okay. So let's see if I can bring that camera then. All right. Did we see everything there? Okay. So here we see the software.
Hey, old dog. Hey, old dog.
Okay, so now we can see everything. So now we see the software control. Some of the things we can do here today. Police lights. Let's activate police lights, and we can see it's blinking blue and red. Police light. We can go forward. That's the forward, I guess. That's forward. Back.
Oh, that's cool.
That's
cool.
Yeah, we can move the wheels. Right, for that we're gonna use the SSR, how to control that. So with the keyboard we can do that, right? Because right now I can go either forward or back, right? Now can we go faster? Yeah, so I guess to get more speed. Oh, okay, that's the maximum speed. Let's see. It goes slow. Oh yeah. A cool camera view. All right, so let's bring the thing up. Nope, why you did that for? Oop. I don't know why it's doing that. It's supposed to stay up. Okay, let's see graph. All right, loose. right, you have to press a few times to lose. All right, so hands up. Okay, I see. Okay, I see the problem. Okay, hands down. So you see, so when you try things, okay, yeah, when you try different things, you notice that there's a problem. So let's see again, hands up. Hands down. Okay. All right, so we got that. They put that straight. So let's go right. That's how much we can go. Not really. So this is too tight. So we need to load this up a little bit. This is the calculation we need to make. Okay. So let's go right. Let's go left. Okay, so let's go right all the way. All right. Guess how much it can go? Oh, yes. Can I go more than that? All right. Yep. These are the things. Okay, that's fine. Yes. Now, why? Hands down. Now I need to know why.
Let's wait for Mars.
No, I'm not supposed to do that.
No.
No, they was working perfect.
It's like me trying to walk. Por mía.
Yep. Oof. All right. So why does that happen? Why? And that's this servo. This. There is something stuck or something. Did I plug it around? This was some time I don't like it. Okay. Yeah, because it was working fine. All right, and then the next thing is, oh, I see what you mean. You know what it is?
You put the wheels,
No.
the cable.
No, it has the motion sensor. So
Okay.
that's why you see it moves. It's activated if I go this way. So it has a motion cell. So let's see. I think get motion. See, let me see what this will do. It's activated with that. That's what happened. Okay, automatically. What is that? Matic mode. See what a matic mode is. Okay. This is just to recognize things. All right, you see that? We see this. We not see it all the way there. Hold on. Kind of detects my hand. Do you notice that it has a square thing there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Oh my! Oh, the two lights are on now. Oh. Okay. Oh
Who's
man!
gonna go on top of your buttons?
Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, because this is powerful. Okay, hold on. Oh man! Stop, baby! Stop! Okay. Oh. Try to see if it tries to oh yeah, you see? It moves the wheels.
Oh, that's what the machine says.
Yeah, you see that? Oh. Let's push it in the back. You see? Yeah, okay. Let's go color. Oh. Oh yeah, also they can detect. I think if I put colors, it will detect different.
I think that's the one, right? But you will need like color of space, because I think that's the one that comes with the big paper, like a pattern.
No, it can detect. It can detect. I think different colors. Also, this one it just moves. Oh, okay. See colors. Let's see. Okay. Red. Oh. That big crash. Maybe crash. Yep, so let's reset it. And let's turn it on up again. It's pretty cool, right?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I was thinking that I could have spray paint the parts that are made out of metal before you put it together to make it brighter.
Oh, I guess it's just guess just the way it is. Alright, it's resetting right now, so I think it got much warmer now.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, I think so. And the birds are singing a little bit more too.
Okay. Still resetting, it's still rebooting. Okay. Okay. Why it keeps rebooting itself? I'm looking. I'm looking the LED light and something's not right. Oh man, what happened? Something happened too. Oh. Oh, I think maybe the macro stick card got damaged.
You think? How?
I didn't put that real good though, because I didn't have a macro stick cards. Yeah. Why is keep resetting? I should have batteries. I know the battery was full charge. I know my battery was full charge. I will have to put a screen to see what's happened. It can be that. It can be maybe the battery was not full charge. Let's see. If I apply power, yeah, that's another thing. If doesn't, yes, was battery problem. Okay. All right. So I guess the battery are not full charge. I have to look into it. All right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that definitely can be the problem. All right.
See, I asked you about that.
I thought I charged it. You know, I thought I charged the batteries. All right, can we see now that is working? Now depends how we So in reality, to move this better, that's better with the keyboard, or if we use the app. So let's see, forward W, move forward. Okay, so it means I plug those things wrong. That should be forward. To right. Move left A. Oh yeah. We have a battery. I have a. All right. So. I need to get batteries from other. Okay, so I thought I charged these batteries. Wow, they're warm. Okay. Pretty weird because I know I did. Alright. This is still battery from other robots.
Oh my, from another robot?
Yeah, because if not enough battery, then it will reset itself. All right. See what happened now. Because I can see it through the lights, you know, I can see it. Okay. All right, now we got it. So That's supposed to be forward. What is back? Move backwards. S. That's weird. All right. And this is. It goes over everything. It goes up on top of my finger with no problem. I guess the type of wheel this thing has.
Yeah.
So let's. So in reality, if I go like this, yeah, well, we need a big table. But you can now with that we can control that. So if I want to go to jump the arm, now see we can control that better. Let's turn the police on. We got that going on. Let's bring this down, up, down. We can this is too heavy.
Hello customer, welcome to MEDIABOXENT.
This is too heavy. Let's hold this loose graph, and we can bring the hand up. We can
nice robot, says customer. Thank you. We have been building this one since last week.
Huh?
Oh, you picking that up?
Yeah,
that's a funny shape.
Yep.
What's his name? Doesn't have a name. This is an Adeept PiCar-Pro Raspberry Pi Smart.
Yeah, no name yet.
Yeah.
No name yet. We just finished building it. We are in the test mode right now. And let's see. Then it can value, and then we throw a track line. We didn't put that. It stays on camera. So I think it. We had to stay on camera. We can see right there. Police line. Oof, that's an automatic thing. I'm not sure what that's supposed to do. Yeah, I can pick that one out. Oh, it's trucking things. You see that? We can see that right over there. So let's turn that one off. Okay, forward. Oh. Let's put the hands down. Hold on. Oh, that's because I turn. Get motion. Get okay. See, one light is on. Here we have one light on. I can control the lights through here. So this is P1. And this one only comes for a second. Not sure why. But I have one on. Passable. Okay, so it's run. See, sometimes that's why I don't want to connect I don't want to put the covers because there's always some type of adjustment we need to make. They call it Hong. Yeah, big guy. Don't do that. Let's see. LED lights are the LED lights are on what side? Mm-hmm. One, two, and three. How do want to disconnect that line? Can we do that without taking the whole thing? Come on. Okay. Nope. I'm lazy to take those screws out. I pin in the butts, that's why. Ah, yes. Oh yeah, now I got it. Now I got my lights. Now I got my light. Let me see. Yes, was the wrong light before. Oh yeah, now we have the two lights. Okay. Another thing. This is supposed to be forward. That's okay. We got that. Put that there again. The one with the other light. It was the blue light. The blue light only you put it in when you build the other unit.
You find your coffee?
Oh yeah, I'm drinking. I'm still drinking coffee. That's okay. Okay. At night, it has to look cool. I gotta try this at night. With all the lights and everything. Right? The allergies drive me crazy right now. Alright. Alright, so let's see, we can control the, so we have the two lights. Leave it there. Let me see what this will do. Home. Oop. Oh, home, okay. So I see home stays on the where you started. Arm. Home. Yeah, this is not gonna work. There's hands down, hands up. It goes slow because, let me see, I activated the motion sensor. So tracking line, automatic, police light. The motion there, and we can
Have you been checking the chat?
oh yeah. Oh, it's going back. I think it's supposed to go forward, but I'm not sure why. Why go the other way around? Because that's already set. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, so what we're gonna do? Let's stop that. Let's go home and all right. Boom. Let's stop the automatic thing. Color start. Yeah, I wonder why all right, hold on. I wonder why it goes back instead to forward. There's no reason for it. There's only one way to plug in. The only way I can thinking is the motors are installed. Yeah, but not make any. It would not make any difference, right? Because if I move this the other way around, so this one is rotating this way. If I move the other way around, I don't think it will make any difference. Maybe it does. No, that can be. Yeah, now that I put that, now I have to take that. Okay. I was just thinking, I don't know why we'll go. Let me see if that makes. I don't think that makes any difference. Well, we'll go the other way. It will not make it different if I swap the motor to the other side. There is not a. No, you can. Because this needs to be in the middle. So in reality, you can. So okay, so let's see what we can control with this. So if I control with this will be 12, so 72. Okay, so here, okay, that's 12. So let's see if that's true. Oh no, but this is Uptech, the same. Yeah, Uptech. So that is oh, that 12, that one, bit interesting. Okay, that 12, that one, port 1 2 3 5,000. But for that, I think I need to connect to that. So let's see if this allows me to create an alright. I'm not sure. No, I don't think they will allow me to create a. But if I do 72, let's see something here. The one 72 port 5,000 connect. Nope. Not that. Okay. So you want me to grab this, right?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be simpler, maybe.
All right, loose grab. Hands up. Oh, that's fine now. Oh, yeah, it was around there. Okay, now it's forward. Okay, I just put it around there. Now it's good. So I think if I activate, okay, so let's loose that thing up. Yeah, we lose it. So let me see if I put the motion. No. Oh yeah, see? That's right. Now it's trying to follow me. I see. Okay. Ooh. Cool. All right. It's pretty powerful, this thing. Okay. All right, stop. Go home. Keep doing it.
Home.
Go home. Okay. Yeah. Oh man. Oh yes. Well, yeah, the wheels, all right. The motors will keep trying to keep going and going. All right. I think we got it. We did it. What do you think?
I think you did it wonderfully.
Right? I think it's a great robot. It took us some time to put this together.
Yeah, it's about the whole experience, to put it together, the programming, the frustration, getting over that, getting the coffee.
That's true. Let me turn all the lights on and all the lights. Yeah, so let's check this out. So with the two cool lights, I think at night looks real cool. We can activate the police light. Let me put the police light there. There. Police light right on the bottom. We have the two lights, so I think it will look real cool at night. We can control the arm. It has a camera. I know the camera right in the front. We control the whole arms. Even it gives out a cool screen with the information right over there. I think it looks real nice. As everything on it, you can grab things. So definitely it's another. You can control it right with and with the keyboard. The app I have to check. I know I can control with the app. We control with the app too, but with the keyboard it's nice because you can move forward. So if you have some space around the house, you can really have fun with this and play around. This is our.
And actually, Muru, that one also can go on this in the sand, like on the park, on the grass as well.
We can do that. I gotta check. Create I think I have to create like a local connection.
Oh, you're right. I didn't think about that one.
Yes, you have to create a local connection for that. No, what I was looking at. Okay, BT. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our fifth robot, and the other one. So fifth, 6 because I had the car 2. So we build this is the number 6, and then we build into the robot. I think that looks great. Took us 2 Saturdays to build it. What is coming up? Coming up next week, we have another robots to build. We have 2 more that we're going to be building and coming out next week.
Yes.
Okay, Melina.
Oh, you're gonna do next week? Oh.
Huh?
You're gonna do the other 2 ones next week.
Oh yeah. Next week. Let's take a little break and then we come back and we review this.
We make them dance.
We make it dance.
Excellent.
All right. Okay.
Okay, guys. See you in a bit. Should I close it?
Go ahead. Yes.
You have your allergy face. Can you smile?
Yeah, I'm just up my crazy allergy face. Yeah, we still know that. We still know the networks. Okay. All right, sorry guys, be back. Be back now. So I think that we're gonna reconnect with Amazon again, and we can do the introduction again. Because every time you disconnect, it's like we started by getting zero. It's a little different than YouTube, or a little different than Facebook, a little different than everything else, right? It's totally different system. So we're gonna reconnect. We're gonna redo this shit. We're gonna do the, what do you call it? The welcome thing again, blah blah blah, and then we're gonna reshow the robots. Okay, that's the idea for the show today. And then next week we got some cool robots I want to show you today. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little bit slow today, which is allergies are killing me. Not in a breathing way, but my eyes. I have like eyes that look like I didn't want to sleep last night. Yeah, plus it look like sleep in the same size, man. I cannot throw my hand on the right side. Looks like I got beat last night or something. Crazy. I think that was a stick without a soul.
Oh gosh, I'm sorry.
I got killed. Man, that was something. The only thing I know, the Dutch coin is like 36 cents right now, man.
Yeah, Dodge.
Oh, man. Who thought about that one?
Dodge is one thing. Dodge?
Yeah, Dutch. Who thought about that one, right?
Dodge.
Buy like 3-4 million of those.
I told you. You didn't.
Worth like 0.001 penny. Oh, man.
Dodge
That's
to
crazy.
the moon.
All right, let's do the goodbye thing there. I think I'm going to do 20 more minutes or something that way.
Okay. Oh, you're going to do 20 more on Amazon?
You can have the boxes for next week?
Yes.
Yeah, I think I'm beat it up. I'm done.
We can go for another walk.
No, I don't know. I want to go buy chocolate for tomorrow. All right.
I'm at 500.
Yeah, I want to look that right now. That's why I'm just thinking. No, but I want to look that.
I'm separate.
Well, but I can do that. I can separate the two and.
Okay. You know what I just noticed in other news? It seems that some of the packages for my beauty live stream they didn't arrive.
Oh, they're supposed to arrive and then they never.
Yeah, I'm checking. I'm trying to see like a one from L'Oreal. I don't got it. I didn't get anything from.
How about the memory? The memory. We never got the.
I kind of think I got it. I think I got it. I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, we got it. Okay.
So you don't have it in the pillbox?
No, I don't have memory. No.
Yeah, I don't want to do so many complaints.
Okay, so you want to get ready the carousel?
Mm-hmm. It's ready.
Ready with the
Robotics.
Okay, we start. Okay, so let me reconnect. Oh, okay. I think it's still transmitting, so you can just
Preview.
Oh, hold on.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So hold on. Let me get
wait.
Let me thing going there. Because we're still everywhere here.
Well, you can stay as long as you keep a good number.
Yeah, but I'm beat up too.
Okay, fine.
I don't know how it's outside. If the temperature went up or not. Okay. All right, we're gonna begin again. Okay, so let's go this way and go for it. The mics are on, okay?
Yeah. You're live.
right, so how we doing, everyone? Once again, this is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today we continue with more robotics or robots we put here together. Today or now, I'm going to show you the final robot and some of the robots we did put together. And how you doing, Melina? Everything good?
Welcome to MEDIABOXENT.
Yeah, this is our second show today. Remember that we always start a little late today, but we start at 1 o'clock in the afternoon every Saturday with robotics, what they call the STEM toys, right? Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. That's the whole idea of this show. And I want to show you, today, what I'm going to do now, we're going to overview the robot I just finished building today in the previous show, and I'm going to show you all the robots we built. Right? So there's always new people coming into the show. They're not aware of the things we do here on Saturday. This is exclusive Saturday show. During the week, we are here Monday to Friday. It starts at 5:30 in the afternoon, Eastern time, and then Melina in the morning. So if you want to meet Melina, she has a great show every morning. Then Saturdays, and for now Sundays, it's just a day we take off. But so you know your host. Yes, this is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. Behind the camera,
Melina, I'm always ready to answer your questions.
Melina, and we always available for chat. Very important. So if you have any question, you come over and chat with us. If you're looking for a particular product or you got a question, what I'm showing you right now. And my next one is what we need to follow MEDIABOXENT, Melina.
Because we have a bunch of open boxes, you're going to be able to see products in detail. We have so much fun and a lot of allergies.
Yes, I'm sorry guys today that my face doesn't look like normal. Oh, happy and all that, but right now the allergies are killing my eyes. That actually feel like this, but I'm fine and a little bit toughy nose. Yeah. My car is a white car. Right now it changed color. It's a yellow car. And all dusty like crazy, so you can imagine. And with a lot of wind the last 2 days, so I think that was the problem. So I'm a little down today, but we still be able to complete the project. So the idea for the show now, this part of the second show, I want to show you some of the things we do here, okay, in Saturdays. So today they finished building the robot. This robot took us 2 Saturdays to put this together. That was the previous Saturday, and today I think it's a great robot that we have over here, and includes everything in a sense. So the only thing you need to get to build this robot was Raspberry Pi and a memory. It came with battery mine, but I think if you read the listings right there, highlighted right there, I think it says battery not included. We'll recommend it, get the box, see if batteries are not there, then you just go and buy your batteries, because it's battery not included. If included, is fine. But yes, you will have to buy Raspberry Pi. I would recommend Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. It's around $39, and use some good memory cards. I would recommend the 16 gigabytes. Doesn't require more than 16 gigabytes. So if you want to put 32, go ahead, put 32. But 16 gigabytes per 8 is too short for that. Okay, I don't think the Raspberry Pi 8 will not do that much. Maybe the first version, but not the new ones. And that's the only thing required. And then time, and the idea, once again, the idea is STEM, the science, technology, and art and math. And that's what you need to look for. Do always look that logo. It's great for children's, kids, and any age. I don't care, it can be 0 to 200 years old, whatever it is, right? So we can put things together. And this is our final project. Then I think it can move the arms, right? And this one it can grab things around and controls with the Raspberry Pi, and it comes with on board. Has a nice little screen there to give you information. I already set the IP address is 72, so we have a control panel where I can control this particular robot. And it has a nice 2 lights in the front. There is 2 versions we can make. We can make one with the arm, or one actually with a nice light in the front. It has camera as well too. But I think what got activated, as you see. So the one with the arm, I think it looks much cooler. Well, a few things we can do here. I know there is a little control panel somewhere there you guys can see. You can see the camera there. If you can pick in my camera, that's the view of this car. One thing I can do, I'm going to activate police lights, and you will see that. Hold on a second, let me activate police lights. See, and activate it through that control panel there. I can use the keyboard if I want it, and I can should I need to come into this software, I can go and move forward, move back, or I can, you know, and or we can do all these things. It's really cool with the keyboard. I don't have a lot of space over here, but if you put it on the floor, it's a lot of fun. We can bring the hand up, right? You can see right there now the little screen, and it can actually follow colors. We can turn this to the left, we can turn this to the right, all right, and we can bring this down, up, go up. We can grab things. Let's go and grab that. All right, and we can grab that. We can put hands up this way or hands down this way, up this way, and let's bring this up a little bit, and let's go and let's throw this down. I'm gonna go and loose it, all right, and throw that one out. And we can actually activate where it seems, where I actually the cameras follow me. We can make the camera to and follow different colors. We can activate the cool lights on the front. Let me activate these lights in the front, P1 and P2. Let me see, hold on. Let me activate the lights. Yeah, or activate one. Let me activate the other light. Oh, it's P3, the other light. Call it P3. Okay, come on. Okay. And we have the two cool lights. So at night, this thing has to look real cool. I didn't see this at night because we just finished building. I'm sure we're going to be making a video out of that. But I think it definitely it's a cool project to build. And this one will take you maybe about maybe the whole entire day. And the idea is not to go crazy and build something like you need to build it just finish that today. But I'm just showing you here the project we did. So this one is the Aptec, the PiCar-Pro Raspberry Pi 3 Plus, not included with that. You can use Raspberry Pi 4 if you want. And then you have the other one, we can build that too, you see here. But in reality, to do that, I will have to take this apart, and I think that with the arm looks better. But give you the option if you want to do that. And it comes with all the parts we went through, all the instruction. Yeah, you see that? We can actually detect, and the camera can and actually detect and objects in color to this if we download the app. And I don't know why I thought I have the app already installed right in my phone because I control all the devices from I'm going to show you through all the things we did build here. And I thought I have it here, but I have to download the app. I had to look into it. You know, that's something I thought I did. Maybe I never downloaded here. Maybe I have it in my other phone. Maybe I have another phone. That's kind of all right. Yep, I need to look into that. But right now I control it everything through through the software here, the one we see right over here. So I think it's cool, all these things you can do, and pretty powerful. If we're looking we'll go over my fingers were no problem. It's nice when you see the camera. I mean, I know you guys see the camera, and but if I did put that on a full screen, that's really what you see on the camera view. Let's have my finger there, but you see, kind of fun. So send it out through the floor and then say, yeah, yes, this is, by the way, what we're building next week through the robot camera. So what you guys see in there is the robot camera there. All right. And you can see here there are different controllers we can activate, deactivate, information on the CPU, right? And keyboard shortcuts of the keyboard, lights. This is my lights right over here. I can control that right on the back of my head, right? We can change the speed, so we can make this like super slow. I'm gonna go forward now, and if you see, right, goes slow, right, and that goes fast. So it's one of the things we can do with this thing. Let's go forward, right. And if I'm trying to see, let me see if we can check the app, so we can download the app right now. But I want to show you also I want to show you as well too my other robots that we built. Okay, because let me see. Just look in the PDF. Yes, I thought I did download it, but I guess not. All right. Because with the app, it's a little better. I think it's something with the 3-wheel car. I wonder how I have in my other phone. It's a good question for that. I'm gonna see that if I have the app. So this is the web browser. And I wonder where they have that part to control with the app. Okay, main program. I wonder where they have that. I know I did, but those things I don't remember right now. It's funny. Let me check. What I want to do, I want to check and see if I if I did download it on my other phone. All right, let me see if I have it here. Well, same thing. Nope. Yeah, no, this one I will not do that. Okay. Just checking that and see. But let me show you. So this is one of the robots we did. And then another one they have it here that I took the batteries to get that running. We did this one real nice. So this one is a 3-wheel car, and again this one used the Raspberry Pi. It has their own control board, and this one, yes, this one you can control it with the app. It has a camera in the back, so it allows you to move the camera left and right, up and down, right? And it has like a little not alarm, like a buzzer. It has a buzzer. It's a buzzer and a LED light. We can change color. We can control this through the web. The fender was killing me. I can control that through the web, or I can control that through an app as well too. So it's a real nice design. This one is much easy to build. I think definitely you can build this in a couple of hours. It's not much. Well, this one looks real nice. If I look in the listing, I think it looks better than the original listing on this particular robot. All right. Then so we had that. Let me actually kill the screen there. All right, so we had that. So we had this robot, then we had this. Then another guy we did put together as one of the first one. We did build a nice this is the dog, and it has a number here because of the IP address, so I gotta say 172 for this one. This one again, this one, it can recognize you, the face, it can follow you. This one goes up and down, and it can do some trick as well too. And it has the lights here. It's a P56. It can move forward and back, and it can just follow you. You can have a little, comes with a little red ball, so you can put a little red ball, and it will go and follow the lights and all that. That's a pretty cool guy. And if I turn it in over here, right away will stand up, and you see it gets kind of activate itself when it starts running. So that's one of the things we did. Oh yeah, see, that one got activated already. So then this is another one. This one is a tank, and we build this tank, allow you to move this up and down, grab things, and also follow you. Also has a camera and a sensor. I think this one is pretty cool. I like the design with the batteries in the side. Looks like it's like a missile or bombs or whatever you want to call it, right? You have a radio over there. And this one, it has a Raspberry Pi, comes with the onboard, pretty much compressed over here. This one is it's pretty compressed on the stuff. It has LED lights. It will light up over here in this side. It's a semi-transparent acrylic, black acrylic, so you can see the light both sides. All right. This one, it will take you, I think, the whole day. A good afternoon. You can put this
wonderful day to build wonderful memories. Welcome everyone to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live. Ask your questions. We're always here to help you.
So this one is a real nice one to put together. What is a much easy one to put together? I think this one. The ones are coming up next week, though, there will be much simple ones coming up next week. Super simple ones. But so this is the simple one, I will think. This one intermediate. This one maybe a little complicated. Not much.
But it's all about the fun.
And this is the dog. The dog is getting there. This one will take a while because you got to build the legs and all that, right? You have to put all this together. I like the cable management there, and that one looks pretty cool, right? And this one has a long. So what it is, just is a long for the camera, because it depends how you're gonna sit that. So that's one of the things we did. Then we build this crazy one.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is a small but crazy, and I run out of space already because the other one is much bigger, and I have no more space. Yeah, I need to get a bigger place, something that way. All right. so this is the bigger guy. So not big guy. So this is the spire. Oh, what was that about? Oh, that's from my other project. Okay. So, and this one is the spire. Oh man. Sorry, allergies are getting me tired. Okay, so this one is pretty good. This one has the attack mode, and this one, how to activate this? Or I control this through the web. Same thing there. This one I gotta remember. I didn't put the IP address of this. Oh no, this one it creates the own network, so I can connect this with the phone. Or this one activates super fast. So this one, you just let it be there, and we press this button here, and that's it. That one is already activated. In reality, this one doesn't require anything special. It means you don't need to buy a Raspberry Pi for it or buy memory. This one runs on, and this one runs, just went out of my head for a second now, Arduino. So this one is Arduino board. So it comes with everything. And the one thing I can do with this to control this guy, we need to I think it's this one I can oh yes, so to control this guy I need to get in. Let me see if I type the IP address, this one, so this one I have to connect and create own network. So I'm going to connect. So this one is .4. So I should put the IP address for this, because I'm not going to remember. You know, when you just put that into the side and then you work
you want
with
me to do the label?
Well, you have to make 172. You have to create one.
172. Okay.
No. One is just the number 72.
Okay.
So this one, this little guy, if I go 192, the 168, the 4, the 1. I think the 1. I think it's 4300. See, now remember, yeah. I think it's 4300, that one. See, I'm gonna read instruction. That's what happens when you just leave it on the side. Yeah, I think this one, it has to be 4300 or 4333. What? Okay, hold on. 4333. Let me see. Okay, you see, and then if you don't remember, now how you going to control that, right? So I'm going to put the number there. This is a lot of fun. This one has the attack mode, but I can seems to remember how to how we connect with this one. And AppTech, and this one is Exapod Arduino 4. Okay, this is the Arduino 4. No. Oh yes, yes. Why not connected? 4, yeah, 4333. Okay. Supposed to connect it, but I don't know why I'm getting connected. Let me see if I can try with this. All right, connected. So that should be in. That one is .4. That one 4333. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was the port. And that's another little guy. And then it has the attack mode. And if I remember the attack mode, let me see, and I'm gonna see. Oh, yeah, that's the attack mode. You see that? It's gonna scan. That's because it sees all the objects. All right. All right. There, relax, relax. All right. Oh man. All right. So this one is with the attack mode, and this one was a real car. This is nice because it has a nice way to walk with this guy. Let's go backwards or the side, and I control this right with the app. I have it right over here. Well, I can right over here. All right, I control, and if you do that through the web, it has more control on it. But with this is perfect. So as you see, this is the cool kind of robots we did put together here. They're all like, in a sense, each one does a different thing. So I think definitely, if you're looking at have some fun on it, and put this in all the kind of way, there's some Raspberry Pi, some Arduino, and then the big guy. I think not the best. It's just the biggest guy. It's just the one
the most powerful that goes boom, stomp,
yeah, the most powerful
stomp.
together. Yes. And the most big one or powerful is this one. So definitely this one is this Aspire. This one is pretty big because when the legs are open, after you see this becomes like a real big. This one is the servos here are pretty big, so you can really feel it when it actually walks on the table. It will make it boom and then purpose, and you can make the legs rotate. You can go forward, back, and can have attack mode, side up. Almost can do whatever you want with this thing. Almost any type of position they can go. They can go forward, can go back, can go this side, up and down. It will move left or right, up and down. It will follow you. Again, and it has a cool LED light right over here. It has a buzzer as well too. And this one requires 4 battery to work. By the way, no battery included on this, so you have to get the batteries on it. And I think this is a real cool robot to have fun. I mean, really what we need is like a humongous table, and then we can make all this. Yeah, that's what I'm missing. I'm missing like a big table. I need like those huge tables or something, and then we can just go and have fun and make all the robots fight. Eventually I'm going to do that.
Like a warehouse.
Yeah, something that way. Right now,
Like
this
the
small
more
table
fight
will
in the
not allow me to
dance, no fight.
Yeah, dance, and it won't allow me to run all these.
Once you get there, you're gonna be, oh my gosh, how was I able to do so much in such little space?
I'm sure I will think about that.
Yeah.
I'm sure. And that's it. That's what we. Let me put that back because I got no more space.
Ay, murro.
Yeah, just there. That I'm not gonna remember. Okay. So what we planning to put together next week? Let me turn this off so waste batteries like crazy. This I gotta make a video at night because of the light and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna make a video at night. I think it looks pretty cool. All right. Yep. Yeah, this one I gotta write some information here. So what we looking to build next week? So there is two different robots. I think we're gonna build only either or. So we're gonna see what I.
Thank you for following, Amazon customer.
What I decide to build next week. But that's what we have. So next week we have this, and this is called me the Omi box. This is for 10 years old and up, and I think all this is the same way. It don't matter, you know. I mean, always, you know, you get somebody to help you to put the things together. And again, this is a programmable robot. Comes with all the parts. I think it's pretty cute. It's like a little cat or maybe a mouse, whatever you want this to be. But it's pretty cute. Comes with all the parts and all the stuff to put this guy together. So maybe we're gonna try this, and it comes with the whole instructions and all that to put that together. So I think maybe we're gonna try this, and we put this guy together next week. And then what we have also, this one are easy, much easy to build. The ones the two I'm gonna show you. Okay, they're much simple to put together. And then the next one we have is this one. It's a 4-wheel car kit, and no Raspberry Pi required. Okay, and I think in this one we need to get batteries. I think we do. Yes, I gotta remember to buy batteries. I gotta do some shopping later on. Yes, I think in this one I need to get the batteries if I remember. So this one, yes, this one we need to get batteries. Yes, on this company you will have to get batteries. No Raspberry Pi or anything required, but it requires battery. Now this one comes with their own battery and rechargeable battery. This one are rechargeable too. So I'm gonna look into it and grab some batteries for this, so we can then the following week put this robot together. This is much simple because the motherboard or the PC board is the same chassis. So what happened here, it comes already all the chips in all the parts. It's all in the main board. It's a chassis, and then they have these add-ons or piggyback boards where you can put together. And then you just put it there. No solder required or anything. None of this board requires solder, because we had that question once already. If we need to solder that becomes a little more complicated. You need experience, and maybe you don't want like a little kid with solder. So this one doesn't require solder, but it will require battery. And I think maybe the following week or next week or the other one we build it. So these are the two robots we have for now on the pipeline. We trying to get some more robots. If we have some more robots on time for the following months. There are many more to build. But as you see, you know, depends how complicated it is. They can be, you know, they can take some time, one Saturday or 2 Saturdays. I think this one, definitely we can complete this in 1 Saturday, either or. So I think I'm going to start with this. I like this cube box, the Omi box. And then we have some fun. We can program this thing. And then the following week, we build this. Right, Melina?
Absolutely. I think that is an excellent plan.
I think it's a excellent thing to put together. All right, so I think that's good for today. I'm a little not tired, but my allergies are killing me today. So I think it's fine. Let's say, Melina, just remember we are here Monday to Friday. We start at 5:30 in the afternoon Eastern time. This channel, what I'm talking is on Amazon, because right now we cast in on Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. On that case, which is only for Amazon. 5:30 in the afternoon, and then Melina comes back on Amazon in the mornings. She has a great show, so catch her in the mornings. And then we'll come back at night, 5:30, and then we multicast on Saturdays through the social network, Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook. Facebook, we are during the week after 5:30. We are on Facebook as well too. So that's it for now, guys. I will have a nice weekend for now. I'm not sure if we're gonna come back tonight or not. I'm not sure. Maybe let's see what happens. But That's good, right, Melina?
Excellent.
I think it's a cool. And if you guys have any questions, you can always catch up during the week. If not, check the email address is pumped up over there on the screen, and you can always send us an email if you guys have any questions. Remember to follow MEDIABOXENT by clicking there in the top. Right, you guys from on Facebook, on YouTube, you guys know what to do. Most likely when I say they follow is for those guys on Amazon. All right, Melina?
Excellent. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Let's have a non-allergy.
No allergy face.
Okay, bye.
Bye.